Another damp morning, but the rice looks thirsty despite the rain.
Slow and steady wins the harvest, Tachi. I brought the planks for the fence.
The river is rising. It is a perfect day for the lotus flowers.
If we don't fix this now, the rising pond will wash away the young sprouts.
Not today. Come on, old friend, we have work to do.
My shell is stronger than any motor, Tachi. Let me pull.
Over here. The ground is harder by the banana trees.
Firm and steady. The rice is safe for another season.
Good work today, friends. Rest well. A quick drink, then back to the irrigation lines. These planks will keep the shed floor dry if the river rises further.
Just a few more ties, and that fence will be solid as a rock. This mud is getting hungrier by the hour.
Use this, Tachi. It's better than sinking.
The river has its own rhythm, Tachi. We don't fight it, we just guide it.
The fence is holding. Now we wait for the tide.
Here it comes again. I hope the new ties hold. It's coming down harder than this morning, Pia.
That log will tear the whole line down if I don't move it.
Just a little.
Thank you, old friend. That was too close.
The fence held. The rice will have enough water, but not too much. The soil is rich, Dino. This flood actually brought some good silt with it.
Good eye, Pia. Keep the irrigation lines clear.
Can't let the rust get them. We'll need them sharp for the harvest.
Nature always provides a reward for those who wait.
One more load, Dino. Then we're done for the day.
safe and sound. Sleep well, little tractor.
Tomorrow the sun will be even brighter. The sky is clear. Today we see the true strength of the crop.
Look at this, Dino. The river gave us a gift of gold for the soil.
It held. It will take more than one storm to move this earth.
Even the flowers are celebrating the sun, Pia.
Ah, there she is! Back in business!
We've earned this. The farm looks better than ever.
Not today, birds. These sprouts are for the harvest.
We did well. Sleep now. The river will watch over the rice. The flow is steady. The moon is a good witness tonight. Another day, another chance to grow.
The sun is coming.
Today we finished the southern fence, Dino. One more push.
Right there. The ground is firm by the old lotus patch.
We're here. Let's make this fence one that even the river will respect.
5 paces apart, Dino. That should keep the heavy logs for snagging again.
Steady now, Pia. Twine. Hand me the twine.
Dino, the current is bringing a big one.
That should do it. It won't budge now.
Solid work, everyone. The sprouts can sleep easy tonight. Best water in the world. Fresh from the sky and the river. The farm is safe. We've done our part. The moon is bright tonight. It makes the water look like silver ribbons.
The air is thick today. Good for the leaves, slow for the bones.
The wind was busy last night. That awning needs a tighter tie before the noon heat.
Hold it right there, Dino. Just one more knot.
That should keep us dry through the next 3 storms at least.
Good work, good food, and good friends. The river is kind today.
The light is changing. Time to get Dino back to the shed. Rest well, Dino. You carried the heavy load today.
The rice is strong and the water is quiet. It's a good night.